That's been a theme around for me lately, just hiring experts to consult with us for whatever problems we're trying to solve. You don't always have to, hire someone on your team, right? And have them be an employee forever. Sometimes you can just hire someone for an hour.
Yeah, it's become so easy with whether it's hiring freelancers, virtual assistants, people who are good at different things, and just hiring them on a project basis or whatever. I just recently, and you'll shake your head at this, but I just recently stopped editing our videos. I had one of my early guys, Scott, that edited videos for us for a long time, and he did a good job. And then he bought a small business and it's been busy, and so I started editing. And I guess for whatever reason, I trusted Scott with how I came across on video, but I was very hesitant to trust these professional video editors who do this all day, every day online. I realized that I'm in that rugged individualist mindset with that. If I want it done right, I'll do it myself. And I thought, okay, I have to ditch that. Yeah. I'm going to get rid of the video editing. And I've done that, and it hasn't been great so far. But I realized the problem isn't that they don't know how to edit. The problem is in my communication with them.
Exactly.
So now I need to work on that piece of it.
You just imagine that the people you're going to work with have some sort of superpowers, and they really would just benefit from you becoming better at creating a creative brief. And this is something that you're going to need to be able to build once and then add to over time and improve 100%. Yeah. You will blow through so much time back and forth with those video editors that you would never have to even endure if you could figure out how to communicate very clearly from the beginning and give them all of the assets that they need and none of the assets that they don't need.
There's an entrepreneur in my coach group who has a great delegation kind of system, and he has a D1 through D3. He'll write D1 means research this, bring me back what you find, and I'll make a decision. D2 means take care of it and report back to me on what you did. And D3 means I don't care what happens with this. Don't ever show it to me again. Just get it off of my desk. And so that's the levels of delegation that he has. So his team has an expectation of what type of delegation they're doing, and they're not wasting a lot of time on something that he couldn't care less about.